The 2025 Mazda CX-5 boasts a sleek and refined exterior that continues to impress with its Kodo design language. Brought to you by Berge Mazda. From its signature bold front grille to its elegant LED headlights, the vehicle exudes a sense of dynamic movement, even when at a standstill. The available 19-inch alloy wheels and redesigned rear bumper further enhance its sophisticated look. The Mazda CX-5's aerodynamic lines and sculpted curves are both functional and stylish, making it stand out in the competitive crossover segment. Under the hood, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 offers two engine options to match your driving style. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers a solid 187 horsepower, providing a balanced blend of power and efficiency. For those craving more performance, the turbocharged variant ramps up to 256 horsepower with premium fuel. Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system comes standard across all trims, enhancing traction and stability in varying road conditions. The finely tuned suspension offers a smooth and controlled ride, blending comfort with the agility Mazda is known for. The back seats of the CX-5 are designed with both comfort and space in mind, offering ample legroom and headroom for rear passengers. The 2025 model provides reclining rear seat backs, adding an extra layer of comfort during longer drives. Passengers can also benefit from rear air vents and USB charging ports on select trims, ensuring that convenience and comfort aren't just limited to the front row. Step inside the CX-5, and you'll find an upscale cabin filled with premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship. Soft touch surfaces and available leather upholstery give the interior a luxurious feel. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed with excellent adjustability, ensuring a comfortable driving position. The dashboard layout is minimalist yet functional, with intuitive controls and easy-to-read displays, emphasizing Mazda's driver-centric design. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 is equipped with a user-friendly 10.25-inch infotainment screen, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is controlled via a center console rotary dial, providing a distraction-free interface while driving. A premium Bose sound system is available for audiophiles, delivering crisp and immersive sound throughout the cabin. The built-in navigation system, alongside voice command features, makes it easy to stay on course without losing focus on the road. Mazda takes safety seriously. The 2025 CX-5 is packed with advanced driver assistance features. Standard safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Higher trims also offer features like a 360-degree camera system and traffic sign recognition. The CX-5 has earned top safety ratings, making it an excellent choice for families and those prioritizing peace of mind on the road. Convenience is key in the CX-5. With features like keyless entry, push-button start, and a hands-free power liftgate that make daily use a breeze. Dual-zone automatic climate control and heated front seats add to the overall comfort, while available ventilated front seats and heated rear seats ensure that all passengers enjoy the ride. Multiple storage compartments and cup holders, along with a 40-20-40 split folding rear seat, enhance the CX-5's practicality for cargo and passengers alike. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 remains a well-rounded crossover that blends style, performance, and comfort into a single package. With its premium interior, advanced technology, and strong focus on safety, the CX-5 appeals to drivers who want a fun and practical vehicle. Whether navigating city streets or tackling weekend getaways, the CX-5 continues to be a top choice in the compact SUV segment. Visit our website at bergemazda.com. Give us a call at 480-498-5614.